Welcome to another explainer. Today, we're jumping straight into the exploding global demand for digital storage. We're going to be analyzing how one truly excellent global company with an incredible 25-year track record based right out of Texas, USA, is tackling this massive issue head-on. And we'll also objectively break down the mechanics of the affiliated business model they've built around it. If you want to check them out as we go, you can actually find them over at backuponline.club.
Okay, so let's start with a nightmare scenario that is, honestly, way too relatable. Picture this. You're on an absolute dream vacation in Europe, right? You're snapping photos of the Eiffel Tower, the cobblestone streets of Rome, and then, boom, you drop your phone. Total disaster. Panic immediately sets in because you realize your entire digital life, all those priceless memories, could literally be gone forever. But what if you had a backup? You just get a new phone, log in, and bam, your memories are perfectly intact. That massive sense of relief, that's the exact emotional hook driving the colossal industry we're looking at today.
To really understand this opportunity, here is our roadmap for today. 1. The global data explosion. 2. Inside the Texas data center. 3. 6,000 gigabytes for $10. 4. The business of backup. 5. Explaining the compensation plan. And finally, 6. Tools for digital entrepreneurs.
All right, let's dive right into Section 1. The global data explosion, and why we are running out of space. Look at how mobile traffic has just completely skyrocketed. Back in 2011, it was sitting at a mere 6%. Fast forward to 2025, that jumped to 64%, and it's projected to hit near 70% by 2026. We are living in a paperless, AI-driven world now, creating high-res media constantly, and we're consuming data at a staggering rate. Our devices are literally filling up faster than we ever thought possible.
And get this, here is a truly staggering reality. 45% of all mobile phone users have accidentally damaged their device or lost their data. I mean, we've all been there, right? Plus, every single hour, 5,700 screens are cracked. That means someone just dropped their phone while I was saying that sentence. Add in the fact that a laptop or cell phone is stolen every 43 seconds, and you quickly realize that automated backup isn't just a luxury anymore, it's a critical necessity.
Because of this absolute reliance on data, the financial wave coming is massive. The global cloud storage market revenue, which sat around $9 billion in 2022, is projected to reach an astronomical $500 billion by 2030. Yes, $500 billion. That is the massive economic wave that cloud storage providers are currently riding.
Moving right along to Section 2, inside the Texas data center, looking at 25 years of robust infrastructure. So you might be wondering, how does a provider actually physically handle all this data? Well, this excellent global company operates a massive 10,000 square foot data center right in Texas, USA, boasting a robust 25-year track record. Inside, they have this highly secure, almost Area 51 level server room. First off, it's fully PCI compliant with patented military-grade 256-bit encryption. Second, there's incredible redundancy. Your data is mirrored across multiple hard drives with redundant A and B power sources. And finally, they use an oxygen-snuffing fire suppression system. This means it puts out fires without using a single drop of water, ensuring the physical equipment is never destroyed.
Now for Section 3, 6,000 gigabytes for $10, where we unpack the core value proposition.
Cloud storage is a massive blue ocean market right now. And while your standard competitors out there typically offer about 2 terabytes of storage for their standard fee, this specific service completely disrupts that. They're providing a massive 6 terabytes, which translates to roughly 6,000 gigabytes of memory. And the best part? You can actually share this massive pool across 5 additional sub-accounts for your family, backing up unlimited devices.
Here is the real kicker, the price point. They are offering this massive 6,000 GB of memory for just $9.97 a month. By providing literally 3 times the storage space for a mere fraction of the cost you'd normally expect from the major competitors, they're making digital security totally affordable for everyday families around the globe. It's a game changer, and you can see it for yourself at backuponline.club.
Which brings us to Section 4, the business of backup and becoming a digital entrepreneur.
The shift toward digital entrepreneurship is huge. 42% of Americans currently have side businesses, and a whopping 62% of Generation Z have secondary income streams. Today, diverse business professionals, businessmen and businesswomen globally are managing robust digital businesses straight from their laptops and smartphones. In fact, this specific backup opportunity is already actively reaching entrepreneurs in over 165 countries. Why? Mostly because it completely bypasses the costly, annoying logistics of shipping physical products. It is entirely digital.
Okay, Section 5. explaining the compensation plan and how the binary matrix actually works mechanically.
Because this product is distributed through network marketing, the system follows a clear 3-step chronological progression. Step 1, you share your referral link. If someone signs up for the Pro plan, you earn a direct upfront commission, which the presentation states is $200. Step 2, you build a binary tree by placing one direct referral on your left team and one on your right team. Step 3, automated cycles. Whenever the system spots 4 users on one side of your tree and 2 on the other, regardless of who actually brought them in, it generates a cycle payout.
Now, advancing through the company ranks relies on strict mathematical requirements. You start as a copper by simply having one active referral on your left and one on your right. To become a silver, your team just needs to duplicate what you did. To reach gold, you personally sponsor 5 people, 3 of whom reach copper. And to hit platinum, you sponsor 10, with 4 reaching copper. Notice a theme here? The core philosophy relies entirely on team duplication rather than just individual solo sales.
And this translates directly to your income through Tier 1 and Tier 2 cycle payouts. Here's why that matters. By helping your team duplicate and reaching that platinum rank, you automatically move to Tier 2. This means you unlock a higher percentage of compensation from the exact same team volume. You're literally making more money without having to build a wider personal base, simply by supporting the team you already have.
Almost done. Section 6, Tools for Digital Entrepreneurs and the Pro Plan Ecosystem.
Rather than forcing entrepreneurs to juggle multiple, expensive, separate subscriptions, the Pro plan gives you a complete digital ecosystem. We're talking VidUber for video hosting and training, and MemoryPlace, which is super cool. It lets you create shared links so your family members can upload all their event photos to one central hub. Plus, you get a robust email marketing autoresponder for up to 2,500 contacts, a custom funnel page builder, and a tool called Marco Max designed specifically for automated social media posting. The whole shebang.
By combining a highly demanded digital product with these automated marketing tools, this platform allows anyone to operate a global business. Whether you are working exclusively in English or your native language, all you really need is a laptop, an internet connection, and the willingness to learn. You can dive deeper into all this over at backonline.club.
This explainer leaves us with the fascinating final thought. We've seen the massive infrastructure in Texas, the incredibly generous 6,000 gigabyte capacity, and the global network marketing engine driving it all. As the world undeniably rushes toward a paperless, AI-driven digital future, your data is only going to grow. So what is your plan to protect the digital data that defines your life? Thanks so much for learning with me today, and keep exploring.